Even as a little kid, I was incredibly aware of what was going on in tropical rainforests. There was this urgency. I knew that they were disappearing, and even then I wanted to protect them. And so there was never any greater dream in my life than to one day see the Amazon. From the first time I stepped foot in the forest, from the first 5 minutes, I knew that this was where I belonged. And I had the luck of making excellent friends with the local people. And they sort of took me in as their student, and I started learning things that you can't learn anywhere else. And we became this team. We started working with the community to protect the surrounding forests, and through Tamandua, we had volunteers coming from all over the world, researching and living in the Amazon and actually protecting forest. And for the local people, there was this feeling of like, wow, look at how these people appreciate our homeland. And for the volunteers, it was the chance to actually experience the Amazon. Through the volunteers that came, we were actually able to protect forest, and it didn't take us long to realize that we had something pretty special, and word got out fast. It was during this time that I also started getting into extended solo expeditions on my own. I'd get dropped in some of the most remote wilderness on the planet and have to survive, and for weeks would just travel endless unexplored tributaries of jungle. Through the time I've spent out there, I've been able to cultivate a very special relationship with the landscape, and because of that, I've devoted my life to protecting it. I've seen the destruction firsthand in the Amazon, and I understand what drives it. And if what's happening today continues, the Amazon isn't going to survive the next 100 years. And this essential biome, this sanctuary to so many cultures and species, is just going to disappear. And that's not a fight that we can afford to lose. It's the responsibility and the opportunity of our generation to become jungle keepers. We're currently battling to protect 27,000 acres of rainforest, and we need your help to do it. This is your chance to be a part of our team, whether it's from home or whether you join us in the field. Welcome aboard.